Where are the girls?
Oh, they left. After I took you over an hour to pee.
Well, I had to let everything out.
Really? Well, they're in the car waiting for us. Let's just go.
Okay, I'll drive.
What? No, guy, you're not driving. I'm driving.
I drive better than you, bro.
I know. But you see, in this case, I'm taking the lead.
Wait. Are you saying this thing just to show off to the girls?
And that's an emotional blackmail, guy. You've had a lot to drink, can't you see? Please, I'm driving.
Don't worry, bro. I'll drive us home. Don't worry, I'm safe. Cool. Don't worry, bro. It was fun. It was fun. It was fun. Yeah. You feel good?
I'm good.
Hello, Taye, right? Wow, it's so nice to finally meet you. Your cousin has said so much sweet things about you, but she forgot to mention to tell me that you're cute and a gentleman too.
My cousin.
Yeah, nice place. I like.
Linda?
No, I'm not Linda. I'm sorry, I must have mistaken you for my date. I'm sorry, I'll just go.
Yeah, but we could keep each other's company till our dates arrive.
But I'm here to see someone else.
Doesn't mean we cannot keep each other's company. I'm also here to see someone else.
But that will be a bit awkward and misunderstood, so I'll rather go sit elsewhere and wait for my dates.
Your date didn't show up.
Neither did yours. Confidence. I like. You are cute, handsome, a gentleman, and you've got confidence. You could pass for a total package. Do you cook?
Yes.
Oh, total package it is then. I'm sure you'll be tired of jumping over girls swooning at your feet.
And that will be tiring.
Wow.
So how about we order something to eat?
About time. We should, right?
Yeah.
Yes, we should.
What planet did you come from? Honestly, you're the prettiest lady I've met. And I'm not saying that to impress you.
Thank you, monsieur.
You know, for some reason, I feel like we were meant to meet tonight.
I think so too. I mean, what are the odds that our partners didn't show up?
Yeah.
So what's the deal? What's the setup? Why would a girl stand up a handsome gentleman like you up?
I don't know. How about you?
Well, my friend set this up with her cousin who just got in from America,
And he stood you up.
obviously our Americana didn't show up.
Oh, wow.
But I'm sure I'll find out why later maybe.
Yeah, I'm sure. You know, this is the first time I'm actually trying a dating app.
This is what happens when you try to shop for girls online.
Hey, don't blame me. You know, you could actually find diamonds in the dirt.
True. Can we order something already?
I'll just sit
All
here
right.
then.
Let's get the waiter. Confident man. I need to get going.
Oh,
Yeah, it's been
well,
a good night.
I guess I have to escort you home to make sure you get home safe.
Wait, the knight in shining armor. I see you.
That's exactly what I am.
Now I'll be fine.
No, I insist.
We'll be fine.
But I insist.
Oh, wow. Okay, if you insist, it's fine. Hello. I was expecting you to call last night to let me know you got home safely too.
I wanted to call, but I didn't want to seem too forward.
Oh, that's fine. So how are you? Are you okay?
I'm fine. Getting ready for work. I wanted to ask you out on a proper date.
On a proper date? So the first one we had wasn't proper?
It was an impromptu date. By chance. This one is promptu.
Okay, Lucas, you won't kill me.
That's not my intention at all. So, is that a yes?
You know I would want to go on another date with you. I mean, the first one that was impromptu was good. So I believe the next one, which will be promptu, will be even better. So why not?
I promise it will be.
Okay. I'll fix a date and let you know.
That will be wonderful.
Have a nice day. Bye.
Bye.
It cracks me up. I'm telling you, the guy stood me up.
What? He did not.
He kept me waiting.
Why would I do that? And babe, why didn't you call me yesterday?
I came back home a bit late and happy.
Happy? How do you mean?
I met someone else.
Oh.
Yeah, so I met this guy. Fortunately, our dates didn't show up. So we stuck together, we bonded, and we chatted all day. And I was going on and on and on, talking like a little unashamed girl.
Ah. Okay, so who is this guy? What does he do? What's his name?
Relax. Don't worry, you'll meet him and you can ask him all these questions.
You are seeing him again?
Yes, we fixed the proper date this time.
Okay, oh, but babe, please, you still give my cousin a chance. I mean, there has to be a good reason why he didn't show up. In fact, let me call him. Hello?
Hey, sis.
Tayo, don't assist me. Do you know the amount of effort I put into convincing my friend, my beautiful friend, to come out on a date with you, and you stand that up?
Look, I am so sorry, sis. I meant to call you to explain. If only you can give me your friend's number. I had an unscheduled meeting with a senator. It's run into the night and I'm just sorry, sis.
That is boy. You didn't show up for the meeting, you're asking for a number. This guy, you've got some nerve.
You don't know how bad I feel keeping a beautiful woman up. You know that's not my style.
Look, I'm very upset with you, bro. I'm very upset with you.
It's fine. You know what? Just give me your address. I want to send an I am sorry package or a number to apologize to her myself.
I'll give you both. You're going to call her to apologize and then you send the sorry package to her. Bye. That would teach him not to stand a woman up next time.
I mean, if he had a meeting with a senator, it's a big deal. He can be forgiven for that. But he should have called or sent a text. It's that simple.
Yeah, true. But babe, the connection this guy has, I know sometimes I wonder if he's really my cousin. The kind of business deals he's involved with, oh my lord, it baffles me. You know, ever since we returned to Nigeria, it's either he's in the government's house for one meeting or another, or he's hanging with the big boys. And babe, when I say big boys, you know now.
That's serious.
Yeah.
Some people are lucky, while some people have to work their ass off to get to that level. It's left for us to figure out which one he is.
I think he's lucky.
Well, if you say so, he's your brother.
Babe, let me get us something cold to drink.
You know your way.
I do!
Who? Tai, the one who kept a girl waiting. So how do you intend to make up for that?
What is he?
Right now, in front of my door? Okay. Yeah. Oh, it's fine. Thank you. Well, this is nice and thoughtful, so I forgive you. Yeah. Yes, we could fix another date. I'll call you and let you know. It's fine, it's okay. Thank you.
Hey, what do we have there?
This your cousin is doing big boy style. This was actually thoughtful and it looks expensive.
Open,
Is it for you?
Open,
It's mine, not yours. In fact, I'm going to see them.
What do you mean by
upstairs
that?
all by myself.
Babe, open and let's see.
Hold on to this, you can have the
That's not
flower.
what his flower do. That's
It's rose now.
Let
Keep
me
it for
see,
yourself.
what is there?
Wait, is he this romantic?
Babe, I told you. My cousin is the best. I told you
You
now.
blow his trumpet. We shall see. I'll go upstairs and open. Were you the one that was stood up? Leave me.
Together, babe. We are in this together.
This
But
girl,
see
leave me
that.
alone, oh. Yes, sir. I got your message. But sir, the discount is just for people paying the complete payments, not for the ones paying instrumentally. But the property I showed you is in a very prime location, so it's worth every penny. Okay, sir, it's fine. I'll be expecting to hear from you. It's totally okay. All right, have a nice day. I'm coming. Hey,
Hi, baby girl.
how are you?
I'm fine.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Okay.
I'm busy over here.
Hey, what are you doing?
Trying to finish up on a particular job.
Look, babe, I've come to check on you, so enough with the work and get me something to eat, please.
I thought it was the person coming to check up on someone that brings goodies.
Babe, I beg, I'm hungry. I need to chop. Give me food, I beg.
No vex, so there's food in the kitchen. You know your way.
Better. Oh, Lord. Oh, Christ. Like, babe. Hunger.
You came hungry.
So I couldn't even wait. It's in there.
Wow.
Oh, Lord. I'm so hungry. Babe, how far? Oh my God, have you spoken since?
No, we haven't.
Oh, wow, that boy know the year what chow.
Maybe he has given up.
Giving up care on your matter. It's not possible now. That boy likes you a lot, so why would he give up?
But he doesn't know me. He's never met me.
Oh, but he has heard a lot about you.
From who?
From me now. And you know, I only have good things to say about you.
Naomi now.
You know now.
Excuse me. Hi, Lucas. I thought you were never going to call. When? This evening? Sure, why not? Yeah, but for real, I know, but it's... No. I was expecting you.
I'm coming.
Hi, I'm Lucas. I'm here to see you.
I know who you're looking for. Sit.
Thank you.
I see why my best friend is crazy about you. You're a handsome devil. And I don't trust such handsome devils. Cute smile too. Well, I must admit, you're good looking. But
But what? Huh?
You look beautiful.
Thank you.
Susan, we need to talk.
Talk about what?
About this guy here. I need to know his intentions towards you.
Don't do that, Doyin.
And you. I hope you're not playing games with my friend.
Don't worry, Doyin. I'm an open book.
We'll see about that.
Ignore her. She enjoys being dramatic. Can we go enjoy the evening?
Yeah, shall we?
Sure.
All right. I'll get the door.
Thank you.
Your friend, Doyin, she seemed to have a doubt about me.
She could be like that sometimes. She's overly protective. But trust me, she means well.
Well, I hope to win her over.
Good luck with that, because she's a hard nut to crack.
Is she the same friend that was trying to hook you up with her cousin? Now, why aren't you saying anything?
Why are you asking?
Well, I want to know how hard I will have to try to crack that nut. I mean, seeing that I've taken the place of her beloved cousin, now I understand why she's so unwelcoming.
You love to play, don't you?
I guess.
I see.
I do, actually.
Aces, don't be like that. Come on. Why are you frowning? Okay, I am sorry.
I beg, just go. You're letting a small boy take your place.
Small boy?
Yes, she's seen someone, and I must say, it's quite cute.
Oh. Are you saying my gift and flowers didn't do anything? Anyways, what you have told me about your friend, I have a feeling that what she has with that guy is nothing. Especially when she sees the real guy.
You better make her see that real guy soon. Because from the looks of things, this young champ is already stealing her heart away. So be there with your little nonsense.
So, how old is he?
I don't know. I think she's older. And that's a plus on his side. Because I don't know, I guess, with him, she'll feel young. So.
How rich?
He has a car. Seem okay, I guess.
Hey, come off it. Anyone can own a car.
Taye, I don't know. I did not ask. If you like her, then push for it. Don't just be all here relaxed thinking she'll come around. I know my friend. She has a mind of her own.
Okay, that's fine. Help me secure another date with her, and then I'll take it up from there.
I'll try. But my friend is not a very easy person to convince. I don't know what is wrong with you.
What do you have in this house? I am starving. I'll go get something myself in the kitchen.
What are you doing here? I got off the phone with you not more than 2 hours ago, and you never mentioned you were coming.
Well, after making a few stops here and there, I found my way here.
So is this a surprise visit?
Well, yeah, a surprise lunch visit.
Oh, because I mentioned I was hungry?
Yeah, particularly because you mentioned you were hungry.
Oh.
Yeah, so I got you spaghetti bolognese with cheese and meatballs. Your favorite.
Oh, this is so sweet, Lucas. Come here.
Oh.
Okay.
Wow. Now I feel like I should do this every day so that I could get a kiss.
Oh, shut up. So what did you get yourself?
Oh, jollof rice. My favorite.
I still can't believe you bought me my favorite meal. That shows you pay attention to details. And I must commend, you're very good at that.
At what? Making you laugh or getting your food right?
Both, actually. Right amount of spice.
I should get you water.
I'll get it. Hey, girl.
Hey, thank you. Oh, babe, I am so sorry. I completely forgot to ask me to get you something from the market.
It's okay. I'll still cook anyways, but I've already had lunch.
Oh, okay. You ordered food?
No, I had food delivered right here to me, express delivery. And the delivery guy, he was so cute.
Don't tell me. You're Lucas.
That's correct. My Lucas, we are officially dating now.
What?
Mm-hmm.
Isn't it too soon? I mean, you barely know the guy.
But I knew Chris 3 years before I dated him for 2 years, and I still got the shock of my life.
Okay, I'm just saying though.
Anyways, I had a beautiful lunch with Lucas. That guy drove all the way to Mamacita's restaurant to get me food. We ate and dined together. I had a beautiful afternoon. And lunch, oh my God. See, I know you don't like him and you have your shortcomings about him, but I don't care. The guy is a full package, a total package. Okay, so please, don't worry about me. Lunch with him was beautiful.
Ah, I see. So with me, lunch is not beautiful.
Oh, babe, now, come on. I didn't mean it that way.
No, I heard you. I heard what you said.
No.
I missed one lunch. One lunch, and now you...
Okay, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, but I didn't mean it that way. I was just saying.
No problem, no wahala. Now look as the rain now. No wahala.
Okay, see, I promise I'll make food for you. I'll still cook. Your favorite soup, don't worry, I'll make it. I've apologized now. Smile, at least. Let me see your teeth.
Shall I just make the soup to be sweet? And let that okra
smile
draw
now.
very well.
I will. This one offense that I don't even know when I committed. I said I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Smile.
On one more condition.
Just name it. I'm ready for it.
Can I invite my cousin?
Is that the problem? You can invite your cousin, You can invite all of your family.
Okay.
You can invite your village people, your town people. Everybody invite them, no problem.
Okay, now I'm happy. Okay.
So can we go to the kitchen?
Yeah.
Now? Let me see.
I better go.
I didn't mean to wake you up. Hey. You should go back to sleep. And just lay down.
What are you doing here?
Oh, I missed your face. I just thought I should come see you.
Let me just sit.
No, look, please, can you just lay down and still sleep?
I'm fine.
No.
Really?
No. I mean, you look tired.
Yeah. Tired from watching TV. Please let me sit.
Come on.
Are you not going to take that? It might be urgent.
Nah, it's not. It's work. I'll do them later.
Did you see my mom?
Yeah, I saw her. She was heading out to church.
Oh, yeah. It's Thursday. And she didn't even wake me up.
I told her not to wake you up.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. Meanwhile, let me read your book to you.
I don't want to go to sleep.
I'm reading you regardless. Where did we stop? Begin with a list. The basic tool of time management is a list, organized by priority and used as a constant tool for management. The fact is that you can't manage time.
Wait, that's really funny. So what did you do since you had your plate filled up already?
Seriously, it wasn't a funny thing. I didn't even bother about that. What I bothered about was what I had just swallowed. And, you know, I just excused myself and quickly ran to use their toilet. I'm telling you. And when I got there, I emptied myself. Like, I vomited everything in my tummy. And you know what? From the toilet, I just made my way to my hotel room. I didn't go back to them.
Wait, you left your friends behind?
Which friends?
Oh my God, that's the height.
Are you kidding me? Which friends? The friends that would allow me eat frog, and then they think it's funny. I didn't go back to them.
Oh my God.
Look, I know it's kind of funny, but you see this, it wasn't a funny thing at all. Honestly. honestly, it's
That is so funny. Oh my God, I can't get that to right.
Yeah, my buddies, they wanted me to have a drink with them.
Oh.
Yeah,
I'm happy you have your priorities right.
you can say that again.
So wait, that was how you left China?
I never went back.
Go back to China. I mean, trust
But
me, I don't know.
Frog.
In all fairness, to their compatriots. I mean,
I'm sorry you have to leave alone. I've kidnapped your cousin.
no, not a problem. As long as it's you, I am covered.
Good to know.
Well, really, I must say thank you for the meal.
Welcome. And your jokes got me laughing so hard.
Really?
Yeah.
I must confess that I had a nice time.
Your company made it special.
It's all right. So I'm just thinking, maybe we can do this again some other time. And this time, I would like to take you out.
I'll think about it.
Okay, fair enough.
So, you drive safe and let us know when you get home.
Sure, I will. Bye.
Bye.
Hey, good morning.
Hi. Good morning. Don't tell me you slept on the couch last night.
Well, your mom came home last night late and she asked me to spend the night. I think she's still sleeping though.
My mom makes you do a lot of things. You know you can say no to her, right? What are you making?
Your favorite?
Pasta? Okay. All right then. I will be in the living room.
All right.
Okay.
Hey, did you sleep well?
Yeah, I did. I can't wait to eat
Your
whatever
pasta.
it is you're making.
You're still not picking up? I knew it. I told you. Eh? It was so good to be true. Ha. I hope you haven't... Look, I'm just saying, babe, I don't trust people like this. How well do you even know him?
Do I need to know him for a long time to like him?
I don't understand. Are you like in love with him now or something?
What is wrong with that?
Look, babe, I'm just saying, I see deception in this guy's eyes. This guy would play you. Because tell me, what nonsense is this? Since yesterday, you not pick us, radio silence, that what? Who is he? Is he the president? Even the president said, they're not busy like this now.
What if something bad happened to him?
Something bad what is this? How? Hey, it's their way now. If you even check on her, even senior that boy, you even have money more than him. Wait. Have you even sized him up? I mean, like, financially? Okay. Meanwhile, when are you going to date with my cousin?
This constant hate on Lucas is because of your cousin, right?
No, now, babe. You are my best friend. Eh? I no go see you dey waka inside fire, come close eyes now. Look, if Taye is not my cousin, babe, hey, I would not snatch him now. Did you? You think say good men in the market? What's his name? That Lucas guy just to deceive you, you know. Fine boy, broad chest, pink lip. They don't have money. You just manage to buy one Corolla now. Person no go hear word.
So is that enough reason to hate on him?
Please, tell me, why should I like him?
Newsflash, I like him. In fact, I am in love with him. So brace yourself, because this journey between you, I, and Lucas is going to be a long one. So get ready for it. Long journey. Get prepared. Don't even try to call him again.
Yeah, hello. Okay. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. Okay. Okay.
I hope you have a very good reason.
Hey, babe.
Don't babe me. Why haven't you been answering your calls?
I'm sorry, babe.
I guess no reason.
I wasn't feeling too well yesterday.
Oh my God. Are you okay? Have you taken drugs?
Yeah, yes. I went to the hospital and gave me some medications. I took it and it made me feel a bit drowsy, so I slept the whole of last night. I didn't hear the phone ring.
You should have told me and I would have come over immediately.
I didn't want to bother you.
It's fine. I want to come over to see you. Lucas?
Huh, babe? Okay, yeah, sure.
Okay, see you soon.
You know, I feel good now that you're here. But honestly, you don't have to go through the trouble.
Of course I have to, especially now you're not feeling too well. I'm here to take care of you. You need nourishment.
Well, you take good care of me, Suzanne.
It's not just about taking good care of you. It's more about taking care of the ones we love. So relax your sick self and I'll go get lunch ready.
I'm pleased to have you take good care of me, to be frank.
Well, someone has to make you eat the veggies, right? Show me the way to the kitchen. After you. Hey, I got some fruits. And someone called.
It's work.
What if it's important? I'm just saying. Oh, here. No way. Oh my God. That was close. Hello. How are you?
A lot better, thanks to you.
Good to know. Take care of yourself and make sure you take your drugs. I'll come visit tomorrow.
Of course, not Susan. Wanted to hear your voice before I go to sleep.
And now you have. Do have a good night.
Susan, when are you going on a date with my cousin?
Lucas and I are together now.
And so? Didn't you tell me that he's like, what, 3 years younger than you? And I do not trust the guy. I think it's after your hard-earned money. He's a gigolo.
Doyin, you will not. Don't speak about him like that. Stop it.
Okay. Look, all I'm saying is do not put all your eggs in one basket. You are dating, not married. Give Taye a chance. Who knows? You might like him better.
I doubt that.
Susan, just a date or a couple. No, babe, I want you to become more than my best friend. I want you to become family. Please. Look, Taye is hurting so much from loving you. And it's not like you're cheating. You're single. You're allowed to date as many men as you want before choosing who to spend the rest of your life with. Susan, please.
So if I accept, would you stop bothering me?
I swear to God. I swear to God.
Okay.
And you say, you guys will make a perfect match. You see. You will see. Thank you.
This girl, you would just stop. Look, I need to go take a shower. You're spending the night, right?
Yes, I'm too tired to find my way home.
No, it's fine. You can stay.
Yeah, before you leave, please, I want your phone. I want to send the pictures we took earlier to myself.
Oh, okay. That's fine. Let me open it and give it to
Thank
you.
you.
Here.
All right.
Don't delete anyone. No.
I won't. You know you're always fine. I'm always fine too, so. See you later. Good night. He's a good man.
Yes, he is. such a good man. I don't know what I would have done without him in our lives.
It's a bonus son to me. The one I never had.
Why is your face like that? How did the date go?
I don't know. She seemed to be distracted the whole day.
What do you mean?
That I do not know. I don't know. I'm just tired.
No. Taye, never back down, never give up. Look, you need to follow her bumper to bumper. Susan is my best friend. I know her. You just need to be patient and kind with her. You know, these things sometimes, it takes time. Especially now that there is competition. You just need to up your game, Taye. Taye, are you listening to me?
Look, your friend is not into me.
Then make her. Taye, she's what you need right now. Far chance of you finding someone like her again.
And if it doesn't work?
Find a way to make it work. And as for Lucas, he's mine. I'll take care of him. Look, you just focus on winning her heart. Look, you need to be the man she needs, not just any other man out there. Treat her right. Treat her like a queen, Taye.
Okay, Mom.
Look, it's not funny. I know her. She's my friend. You need to treat her right to win her heart. You and I know you need her more than she needs you. So work hard at it.
I'll try.
Better.
So, I'm staying over.
You know you should come out more often. Like, take in some lights. You know, this world misses you.
Lucas,
Yes.
I've got a front row seat to the world from this wheelchair.
True. But it's nothing like the real deal, you know? Like the fresh air, the city lights, the whole shebang.
You make it sound so tempting. What's in it for me?
Well, let's just say the pleasure of my company.
Oh well, that's fair enough.
Yeah, so we're doing this more often, eh?
Yeah, I'm actually enjoying this. Thank you.
You're welcome. Hello?
Hey, handsome.
Hello?
It's Doing.
Oh, Doing.
Are you surprised?
Yeah, kinda. What's up?
Nothing. I was just calling to check on you. Yeah, Susan said you're sick. So, how are you feeling now?
Fine. I'm fine. Yeah, thanks for checking up on me.
So what did you say, you know? Maybe we meet up, grab a drink or something, you know? Get to know each other better. Okay, look, I know you're wondering how I got your number. We'll talk about it when we see. So, what did you say?
Does Susan know?
Come on, Lucas, you're not a kid now.
So what do you say I think about it, then give you a call later? This is your number, right?
Yes. Save it.
All right, yeah, sure. Okay, that was unexpected.
There you go. What's funny?
Your outfit. I just love it. You know, it's screaming total package.
Of course I'm a total package.
I can see that.
Ah,
Are you expecting someone?
yeah, I'm sorry I forgot to mention we're having a third wheel.
Wait. Don't tell me it's doing. Oh, God.
I'm sorry, I told her you were coming over and she insisted she must come join us.
Yeah, you could have just said no.
You know how she can be. She didn't even let me say anything. She just jumped on it. I'm sorry. Let me go get it. I'm sorry, babe.
Yeah, it's fine.
Hey! Come. You're welcome.
I brought wine.
Oh, thank you.
Hi, Lucas.
How you doing?
Food smells good already.
Of course I'm a good cook. It should smell good.
Well, that's why I'm always here.
I know, and that's why you're here. Sit, let me get yours.
Thank you. Hey, handsome.
So,
Thank
there
you.
you
Oh my
go.
God, look at that.
Enjoy
Thank
the meal.
you.
It's a bit spicy, but you love it.
I
told you.
Susan, it's so good.
Are you okay? Are you good?
Yeah, I'm fine.
You know what, I'll get you water.
I'm fine.
No, let me get you water. Hold on. My hands, please. Hey,
Hear yourself.
I thought you left.
Not yet. Why? You've got plans tonight? Susan is such a lucky girl, isn't she? She has you in a bed and my cousin in her pocket. Oh, you didn't know, did you?
Here you go.
Thank you.
You feel better?
A lot better. Is Doyin still downstairs?
Yes.
I'm sure she plans on spending the night. Doyin is the only person that I know that uses the house more than the owner. And my friend.
So how well do you know her?
Very well. We've been friends since our third year in the university. We met through a mutual friend and we clicked, we bonded, and we've been friends since then.
So you trust her?
Yes, I do. Why do you ask?
Nothing. What? Nothing. Look, I just want to get to know her more, okay?
Okay.
Hold on.
Can I take this outside? It's work.
It's okay.
Yeah, promise.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Okay, what now?
What now is, don't you have a house of your own?
I don't understand. I have a room here, don't I? And by the way, I have more clothes here than in my house, so...
I see. So that means you need to start paying rent henceforth.
Ah, okay, no problem. As long as you start paying me for all the free advice I give you. You know, my unmatched company and energy I bring to your life. And for having an awesome friend like me.
Just that.
No, everything and everything. How about Mr. Sunshine? He left already?
Yeah, he has some things to do at the office.
Okay. So, did you guys?
Yes, we did.
Oh.
You want details?
Beg.
No, you don't? I'll gladly tell you all of it.
Are you for real?
What's up?
You're asking me what's up. You're sitting here, eating my food, watching my TV while I do the work for you. Like, what the heck is wrong with you, Taye? I thought we had a plan. Huh? So imagine Susan comes to visit me and she sees you sitting here like this. What do you think she'll make of it?
Hey. It's just early in the morning.
Early in the morning and you've eaten. Have you called her? Do you know if she slept okay? Do you know if she's fine? Do you know if she wants you to send her breakfast? No, you don't. That stupid boy spent the entire night there screwing her. And you're here sitting on my couch like some loser.
Okay, fine. I'll call her.
You better do right now. Unless you don't want this entire plan to work.
Hey, stop being angry. I said I'll call her.
What is wrong with you? Who is that?
Huh? No, it's nothing important. It's fine. Hi.
Hi.
Yeah.
I thought I told you not to bother.
Hey, I just thought I should stop by.
Thank you.
My pleasure. So, I was thinking, why don't we go hang out tonight? Trust me, there's this very fantastic spot. Really cool vibes.
I really had a long day at work. I need to rest. I don't have that energy to hang out.
Come on, Suzanne. Come on. Just a quick hangout. Trust me.
I'm tired.
It's going to be really refreshing.
I'm really tired. I need some rest. I can't hang out. We can chill here and have some drinks. Okay? Let me get us something to drink.
Okay, that's fine.
There you go.
Thank you. Yeah. You pamper me too much. I feel like a queen.
Well, queens need proper care, don't they?
I mean...
How do you feel?
Better. Your presence is the best medication.
I honestly don't like you falling sick. Look, get better soon. Okay?
Do I have a choice? I thought so too. Anyway, I think you should get going. It's getting really late.
So I was thinking I'll just pass the night here. At least that way I get to take care of you.
Oh no, Lucas. You've done more than enough. You've been here all day taking care of me. You need to go.
If I go home, I'll be worried about you all night. I won't even be able to sleep. So I figured it's better I just stay here and be sure you're okay. All right?
Is there a chance that I'm going to win this? You're so impossible. Anyways, I'm so glad you're here. Your presence means a lot to me. Thank you so much.
To the bed.
Yes, please.
Babe, I'm sorry I missed your calls.
You do this all the time and it's becoming a habit.
Yeah, no. Like I just got caught up with work and I'm really sorry.
If you're busy with work, you can send a text. It's that simple. You can at least do that.
I'm sorry.
Can I ask you something?
Go on.
Is there something you're dealing with that you don't want me to know? Because sometimes you are lost in your thoughts. Next thing, you are quiet and suddenly you go off. What is going on with you? What is going on? I need to know. What is it?
It's nothing, babe. I'm fine. All right, I just got caught up with work, like I said. But I'm fine. Okay, it's okay. I'm fine.
Are you having issues at work?
What? No. Like I said, I'm fine. Okay, I've been a little bit busy and stressed. Just... Look, I promise I'll tell you someday.
And when will this someday be?
Like any day I find the courage to tell you. All right. I promise. Can I hug you now? Like I've missed you.
I'm still mad at you. Just
I know. I'm sorry. You missed me, right?
I'm mad at you.
You miss me.
I wish I did.
I know you did. Say it. You miss me.
A little. Tiny.
Nate. Watch out, Nate. Focus. No. 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 No, Nate. Stop. No. 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 Babe, you're awake.
Lucas, I know there's something bothering you. And I need to know. I need to know what is going on with you.
There's nothing. Yeah, I just came to fix myself a drink.
You know you can't keep shutting me out, Lucas. I need to know. Who is Nate? You keep shouting out his name in your sleep. I want to know, Lucas, and you need to tell me.
He was my best friend. He died in a car accident 3 years ago.
Oh my God. I'm so sorry, but you never mentioned it to me.
Yeah. That's because I don't like to talk about it.
My God. Were you in the car with him?
Yes.
Were you the one driving?
Babe, I don't want to talk about this, please. Okay.
Look, you know you can't deal with this alone. I won't let you. And I want you to know that I'll be right here by your side whenever you feel like talking or when you're ready to talk about it. Okay? So can we go to bed now, please? Hi.
Susan.
Another surprise visit?
Oh, yeah. I was around the neighborhood, so I thought I should check up on you.
Thanks for stopping by.
My pleasure.
Oh, sit.
Thank you. You know, we don't have enough time talking these days.
Today seems like a perfect day to talk.
Oh, yeah. You know, I've been thinking about something.
Really?
Yeah. I've been thinking about...
Look, Tai, I appreciate the company, but we're just friends.
Oh, yeah. Friends. Yeah, I get it.
Is everything okay?
Yeah, I was just thinking we could be more than just friends, you know?
I'm seeing someone already, and I'm sure Doyin must have mentioned that to you. Let's just keep it friendly.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, you're right. Yeah, I respect that.
Yeah. Do I get you something to drink?
Yes, water.
All
Water
right.
will do.
I'll get you water. I think it's time you make Tai understand that I'm with Lucas now. I don't want him getting the wrong idea.
Susan, are you sure? Look, Taye is a good man. Look, okay, yeah, I know he's my cousin, but really, he's a good man. And your darling Lucas, it's not like he's been consistent lately.
Well, I love Lucas, and I don't want Tai thinking he has a chance with me or getting the wrong idea.
Wow. So you are going to really do my cousin like this?
Why are you sounding like I played him? I was clear of what I wanted from the get-go. You were the one insisting that I get to know him.
Which you never did.
Well, if he showed up on our first date, I wouldn't be with Lucas today. Just maybe.
Fine, fine. I just hope you're not trading something good for uncertainty, because you just might regret it.
Can you just stop doing?
I got your message. Where is she?
She's in the room. Okay.
She's burning up. Has she not been taking her medications?
I don't know. We ran a few more tests on her today, but we are waiting for the test result to confirm.
Well then, why is she not admitted at the hospital?
She insisted on coming home. She did.
I'm fine. I'm okay.
I know.
I found love on a sunny day. She's so pretty when you look at her. She loves me. I already know. And I love her, and she already know. Grab your glass, let's celebrate. See these beautiful colors surrounding you. Me and you, forever agree, die. Can't you see that we are made for each other? This is how we fall in love, you and me together, forever, yeah. I'm loving you every day, needing you every day. That's why I cannot let you go. This is how we fall in love, you and me together forever, yeah. And that's why I'm loving you every day, missing you every day, and I cannot let you go, yeah. I found love on a sunny day. She's so pretty when you look at her. She loves me. I already know. And I love her, and she already know. grab your glass, let's celebrate. See these beautiful colors surrounding you. Me and you, forever agree, die. Can't you see that?
Susan, calm down, calm down. Take it easy. Okay, I'll come see you soon. Just calm down, you hear? Babe, I'll see you soon. Oh, Lord. Sure.
What's up?
Look, I was baby again. As usual, it's off the grid. I wonder, that guy is either a ghost or a playboy. Oh.
So what now?
Perfect. This is the perfect time for you to step in. And Taye, this time around, no mistakes.
What do you want me to do?
Now you do everything you haven't done before. You need to get to her, get close to her. In fact, do not give her any breathing space. I need you there every minute, every second. Get her to notice you and forget about that loser. This is the perfect time.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Hey.
Hello. Okay. So, I brought something for lunch.
Oh, wow. What is in there?
Your favorite.
Wow. Thank you. That was so thoughtful of you. So I'll go get us some cutleries and plates. And we're digging. Please sit. You really do take care of me.
Well, I actually wish I could do more.
I'm sorry about the last time. I know it felt a bit awkward, and I hope you understand.
Oh yeah, it's okay. It's fine. The truth is, I've always really liked you, Susan. Really. Though you speak so highly of you. And getting to meet with you makes my feeling much stronger. And the truth is, you're such an amazing woman to be with. So, once you are happy, then I am happy. I just hope we can continue being friends and getting to know each other better.
Thank you. And thank you for lunch.
You deserve the best, Susan.
Why are you not taking your calls?
It's not important. Yeah, I'll call back later.
Lucas, you've been here for days, taking care of me. I see you haven't even given yourself any time or attention. You haven't done anything that you need to do. I mean, the things that you really need to do. Take your call. It might be important.
Fine. I'll take you when I finish feeding you.
I can feed myself.
But I insist. I want to feed you.
Lucas, I can feed myself.
To man's best friend.
Wait, I thought that was a dog.
Oh, okay. To man's second best friend.
Cheers.
Cheers.
This is good.
Yeah, really.
I thought Doyin was supposed to join us.
Yeah, she was held up. And she said she will join us as soon as she finishes.
Okay.
But you know, I take my job of hearing you off very seriously.
I can see that. I see.
Yeah.
This is good.
So, my lady, what is the problem?
Nothing, just that I'm tired, that's all.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
That's all?
That was funny, you and your jokes. Oh my God.
Oh, yeah.
Ow. Ouch.
I see you are out of it.
I think I need to call it a night. Oh, where's Doyin?
She couldn't make it.
Oh, I guess she missed the phone. I mean, I had a good time.
Yeah, you can say that again.
Yeah, so I need to go to bed. Oh.
Oh, yeah, it's late. Can I pass the night?
Yeah, sure. You can stay on the couch. It's fine. It's okay.
Oh, okay.
Are
The
you-
couch. Oh, okay. That's fine.
Oh, please, could you
Careful.
help me, please?
Careful. Easy on the floor. Hey, easy.
I
Easy, okay?
I need to go to bed.
Careful. Hey. Watch the stairs and... Okay, easy. Oh, take this off. She's awake. Good morning, sunshine.
Good morning.
You slept well?
Yeah, I did.
Okay, good. I made you a bowl of fruit to get your morning refreshing. So
I
come
know
sit.
you shouldn't have.
My way of saying thank you for letting me spend the night. Okay, so just come, sit. Yeah. Here.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I know I should say sorry about last night, but I don't want to. You know, Susan, I care so much about you, and I'm hoping that you'll see me more than a friend. Okay, yeah, that reminds me. We were too drunk last night. I would have broached the subject.
What subject?
Okay, there is this business deal, okay, that will bring a whole lot of profit and benefit. All right. So I was hoping you will be one of the investors and the rewards will be so gratifying.
If you, I would like to see the business plan and every other thing involved. I'll go through it and see.
Oh, yes, 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 yes. I'll bring that later. Yes, and I promise it is not going to be disappointing.
Okay.
Yeah,
And thanks for this.
always a pleasure to make you happy. Yeah.
But seriously, man, if you don't like that girl, why don't you drop her?
And who says I don't like her?
You. I know you too well, bro.
What about you?
You know, I will obviously wife mine. Have dozens of children. Start my own village.
Okay. That's crazy.
I know, right?
Honestly, I swear to God, I am yet to find a woman who will agree to that. Dozen of children.
Yeah, you the aspiration, man.
So, I brought the proposal so you can append your signature. Yes, and we don't have time. We really have to do this on time so that people will not get wind of it.
Okay. I really have a lot to work on right now. My schedule is really, really tight with work. So you give me like 2 weeks to go through this and get back to you.
Oh, no, we don't have all the time. Like I said, we don't have time.
But that's because I'm busy. Okay, give me a few days.
No.
Wait. You don't expect me to invest into a business without asking questions and going through it thoroughly? We've not even talked about this extensively.
Wait a minute. No, wait a minute. Are you calling me a fraud?
Oh, come on, I didn't say that. All I'm asking is for you to give me time to go through and revert.
Look, we don't have all the time. We don't have all the time. I mean, we need to do something on time.
Okay, I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Is that okay?
Okay. Okay, thank you. Yeah, so I have to get going. I have other people to catch up with.
Okay.
I'll be back soon. All right.
What's that?
Boss, I beg, no vex for me, I beg. I beg, just give me little time. I don't see where I go get the money, eh? I beg, just give me small time more. I am sorry, bros. I did sorry, I beg. Just small time. I go bring you money.
Suzanne. Babe, come on, open up. I know you're in there. Babe.
She won't stop calling me. Christ.
I'll be going there tomorrow to get the papers.
Okay.
I have to get her to sign and invest immediately before she notices the loopholes on the proposal or grow cold feet.
Yeah, not just that. Before that bastard Lucas come back from nowhere. You know, she might be angry with him right now, but she has a soft spot for him. So we need to do this.
Yeah, but this is taking longer than anticipated. I thought it was just going to be a walk in the park.
Well, it would have been if you did not miss the first date. Eh? Susan was such an easy target. She's too trusting and so soft-hearted. But guess who did not show up? You. So.
Yeah, but hey, there's no point flogging a dead horse. What has happened has happened. I mean, we are talking about now. Those people are on my neck.
What people?
never mind.
Tomorrow, we have to get it tomorrow. Look, I can't keep ignoring her calls. I can't keep acting like I'm not seeing it. She'll grow suspicious. And you know I cannot talk to her until we sign it. So we have to get it tomorrow.
Babe, I am sorry. Look, I didn't mean to ghost you. Honestly.
Explain.
Look, I got caught up with something. Trust me, I didn't ghost you intentionally. All right? How can I? You're the best thing that has happened to me in the past 4 years.
Lucas, you're saying a lot without saying anything. What is going on with you? You won't pick my calls, you won't return them. What is going on with you? What is this? Is this about Nate? The accident? What is it? I need to know. Talk to me. I need to know, Lucas. Talk to me because I'm tired of this. I am tired.
What are you doing here?
Taye, can you please just stop? Stop!
No, Susan. You stop. This thing is not good for you. Yes. Susan, you can't treat me like this. You can't. You keep blowing hot and cold with no reason. I am better off this bastard.
Hey, don't you call me names, you idiot.
Please, both of you, can you just stop? Stop it right now and leave my house, please. I don't want this madness, please.
Now tell him to leave. Tell him we have business to discuss.
What business do you guys have?
Obviously none of yours.
And you, leave. Leave my house now, please. I need to be left alone. Please, just leave.
Hold on.
Leave, use the door.
Okay, that's fine. That's fine. That's fine.
What is wrong with you? We are this close to getting what we want. This close!
Well, I am tired. Yes, I am tired. I am being bounded by debtors. My life is miserable. I don't have the patience nor the time.
And whose fault is that?
I just need some money. Why is it so hard?
Wait. Why does this look and sound so familiar? Taye, have you entangled yourself with drug peddlers again? Oh my God. I thought you wanted to start afresh. I thought you wanted a new life. What are you thinking? Taye, are you back on drugs? Are you high right now? Are you high? What is this? What? Oh God. Taye, you're scaring me right now. Do you want to ruin everything? What is your problem, Taye? What is your problem? Taye! Oh Christ, oh God. He has lost it. I'm such a fool for trusting a drug addict. I'm such a fool. What was I thinking? What's he going to do now? Fuck, he's going to ruin everything. Where's my phone? Susan. Pick up, Susan, please pick up. Taye, Jesus Christ. Pick up, please. Just pick up. Oh God, Taye, you've ruined me.
I told you. I already told you I wasn't the one that invited him. But why do I have to explain anything to you anyways? You were the one that went away. You've been away. Where have you been? Fine. You can come over. And you better have a good reason for being absent. Else I'm done playing this hide and seek with you. I'm done. Whatever.
Hello, boss. Boss, I beg, give me small time. I beg.
I'm coming. Hey, babe.
Hey, hi.
Come on.
Yeah, thank you.
Are you okay?
Oh yeah, I'm fine. I'm fine. Is my cousin here?
No, why?
Oh, nothing. I just thought maybe he came to check on you or something, you know.
No, he didn't.
No, okay.
Are you sure you're okay?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm fine.
Okay. I was working on my laptop upstairs. I'll go get it. I'll be with you shortly.
Yeah, I'll be here. All right.
Make yourself comfortable. You know your
right,
way.
Thank you. Pick up.
Where is she?
Taye, why are you here?
I am getting this money today.
What are you doing here? Why are you here?
I said, where is she?
Stop it. Shh. Look, this is not the plan. Please just go. We'll talk about it, please. So, just leave.
No.
Taye, please.
No!
Taye.
I am getting this money today!
Please, look, I know you're not yourself right now. You're high. Please just go home. We'll talk about it later, please. Don't ruin everything. Taye.
Don't tell me to go. I don't need any properties again right now. I need cash. 20 million, 10 million, 5 million, whatever. I need cash.
Taye, please, this was to be a long con. We are here mid higher, please. Look, just go home. We'll talk about it. Don't do this, please. Taye, beg, just go, please. Just go before she comes out.
I couldn't wait anymore. She didn't sign anything.
Just go before she comes out, please.
Wait.
Oh, God.
You too. Oh, my God.
It's not what you think.
Oh, my God.
Hey, just wait, okay? Just wait.
What's going on here? Oh, my God.
Now, come, sit.
Toye.
I said sit!
Oh, my God. What's going on here? Toye.
Just sit. Now you are going to do as I say.
You think I was going to sign the proposal without reading and investigating. You gave me a dummy corporation.
You got me.
Of course I did.
I don't believe you. I don't believe you, I don't believe you're using again. How could you?
What's wrong with him?
Damn you, Taye. How could you do this after I tried to help you and you go and do this?
He's on drugs? And you brought him my way?
He went to rehab and I didn't know he has relapsed again.
Oh my God, wait. So all those stories of his connections and having money and traveling about, are all those lies?
I don't know, trust me, I did not know.
You did not know what? Doing?
I swear to God, I did not know. I'm sorry.
Hey, come off it. It was all your idea, okay? How did I know that you had a rich friend?
Shut up! See, look, Susan, don't listen to him because I'm your friend. You know that I am your friend. Do not listen to him.
So how did he know about me?
Look, I only wanted you to date again, meet someone nice.
Like this. Like this.
Okay, look, there is no point pretending anymore. Okay? We can get all the money we want from her and then you start a new life you have always wanted. You don't need her anymore.
Okay, this was supposed to be a smooth run.
So you planned this with him and you're supposed to be my friend, Doing. How could you?
Look, we have already been caught. Go get her phone.
Doing. Oh my God. Look, I'll advise you let me go because you would not get one dime from me.
Now listen, I am tired of being nice.
Tony, I am so surprised that you were supposed to be a friend to me. I took you in as a friend, and you do this to me. How could you? Why would you do this?
Friend? More like a minion. Like, you're better at everything. Or should I say lucky? Susan, I want the life you have, and I'll do everything to get it. Sorry, not sorry.
Here. Just transfer the phone.
What account is that?
Just shut up and trust me.
I can't believe this. Why would you do this to me?
I'm sorry, Susan. I just wanted to help my cousin and myself too. So do not blame me. Do you know, I envy you so much that my stomach aches.
Transfer the phone.
I'm not transferring anything to any account.
Listen, Susan. I owe some very terrible people some money. And if I don't pay back, they are going to kill me.
Taye!
I said shut up and trust me.
I am not transferring any dime to any account.
Oh, but you will, my darling. As you can see, my cousin here is back to his old ways of drugs taking. So I can't vouch for his stability. Sorry, not sorry, my darling. No offense.
None taken. Just do the transfer. 10 million naira and we'll be out of your hair.
I am not transferring anything to any account. I will not do that.
What's going on here?
Hey, just get back to wherever you are coming from.
Susan?
Just go.
Okay, please. Susan, please. I'm sorry.
Toyin, you know, all this while, I thought that he was the one planning all of this. I had no idea that you, my friend, was the master planner.
You knew?
Of course I did. If I was that stupid, I wouldn't be this successful. I had my doubts when he brought that stupid business proposal. I wanted to be sure, and you made everything so easy by coming here today. Hello, barrister. There's this document I need you to look into for me. It's looking like a business proposal, or rather, it's supposed to be a business proposal, but I have my doubts. Yes. So I'm going to send it to you right away, okay? All right, thank you. It took me one day to find out that it was a dummy corporation and the business proposal was a lie.
I'm sorry, please. I'm sorry, please. I'm sorry. It wasn't supposed to go this way. I'm sorry. Susan, please. Please.
I've called the police. They'll be on their way now. I'll go get a rope to tie this guy.
Yes, you should.
Come.
Susan, please. Please forgive me, Susan. It wasn't supposed to go this way, I promise. Please. He got arrested and deported. Came back broke and addicted. And I had to help him. He was also in debt. So we had to come up with a plan.
And I was your plan? You did everything to force down your addict of a brother down my nose. You went that far. Even the devil will be shocked at you.
Susan, please, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, please.
You can tell that to the police when they get here.
Susan, please. Sorry. Susan, please.
Thank you.
Look, I'm sorry you had to go through all of that. Do you want to come to my place and stay there for a while? At least till you get over this whole thing.
I need to clarify something.
What is it?
What are you hiding from me, Lucas? I need you to find the courage now and tell me everything, the truth. Where have you been? Who were you with? What were you doing? I need to know.
It's not what you think.
Then help me think. Help me think, because I am tired of people playing me. If Doyin could do what she did to me, how can I trust any other person? How? How can I trust you when you're not consistent?
Frances. Frances is her name. She's my penance.
What penance?
She was my best friend's girl, fiancé. Nate's fiancé.
I still don't understand.
Accident that night. I blame myself for it. I mean, I should have insisted he does not drive. I should have dragged the keys with him. You know, Nate is a playful person. He doesn't take anything seriously. But I know better. I should have. You see? Nate will still be alive. And Frances will be confined to a wheelchair. She was my friend too, you know. She loved Nate so much, I just blame myself for it.
So the Frances that calls you is your late friend's fiancé and not work?
Look, I'm sorry I lied to you. I just didn't want to share. I didn't like to share. I never thought I would want to share it. I just hate to talk about it. It makes me feel so sad.
She was in the car that night sleeping. Then all of a sudden, my date that night was in the car too. And she didn't make it. I just feel so terrible, God.
So that is where you go to when you don't pick my calls.
I just couldn't bring myself to be happy in her presence, you know. I mean, Nate was the love of her life. She lost him. And she lost her dreams as well. I didn't want to pick your call in her presence. I judged myself.
Why didn't you tell me all this while? Why didn't you tell me this?
I don't know. Perhaps it was my conscience, the guilt, trying to sabotage my happiness, knowing fully well that I don't deserve it.
Look. I understand you feel guilty about what happened. But Nate wasn't a kid either. And this happened years ago. If Frances blamed you for what happened, she wouldn't want to see you, let alone let you into her life. I know what you feel. It's called survival guilt. You feel this way because the others died and you survived. And it's okay to feel that way, but you don't need to feel that way anymore. Nate was the one who got drunk and drove that night, not you. It's okay. And as for Frances, she's your family now. And I would love to meet her. It's okay. Thank you. Hi, Frances.
Hi.
Oh my God.
Oh my God, you're welcome.
Thank you. Wow. Lucas has told me so many good things about you, but he omitted the part that you're so gorgeous in person.
Men, they always omit the most important information.
I know, right?
He never said anything about you looking so damn gorgeous.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Well, it's finally nice meeting you in person, Frances.
It's my absolute pleasure.
Okay, something tells me I'm going to be the topic of you guys' conversations and gist.
Did you hear that? Like a noise in the wind?
More like a bird singing.
Exactly.
Let's ignore it. Can we feast?
Yes, please. What's that look for?
I won't say anything.
Over here.
I found love on a sunny day. She's so pretty. When you look at her, she loves me. I already know. I love her, and she already knows. Grab your glass, let's celebrate. See these beautiful colors surrounding you. Me and you, forever agree, die. Can't you see that we are made for each other? This is how we fall in love. Fall in love, you and me together, forever, yeah. every day. That's why